Hey guys, so I received a package from Akira and let's go through it together. So first we have this beautiful silver box, and then inside are heels. How beautiful are these? I feel like they'll look so cute with just like a simple white dress. I'll try them on for you guys right now. Up next we have this top, and it has such beautiful details. Like, I cannot get over this top. How beautiful is this top? And last but not least, we have this jacket, and I swear I saved the best for last. How cute is it? Now this is like a 3-in-1 jacket. You could wear it regular. Let me just throw it on real quick. It's like such good quality too. So you could wear it regular, but then you could also unzip it and make it crop, which is super cute. So here's like the regular. This is a size medium, so it is definitely like oversized. You could also unzip it. Unzip it. I love unzipping them, and then when it gets chillier, like, you know, when you get cold, like, go ahead and zip it together, make it a full jacket. I think that is so cute. So here's the second way to wear it. Now the third way, I'm not 100% sure, but I want to say you could also turn it into a tote because it has these straps. So I'm pretty sure you could also turn it into a tote, maybe. I'm gonna have to check their website on the third way, but how cute is this 3-in-1? Absolutely love it.